Hello buddies, welcome back to the channel. I hope you all are doing well with your lives, and this is me again in another video. And what I'm doing here, I'm just making a simple project that I'll be showing you in this whole video. And as I was learning some of the Python libraries, this project was to enhance my skills and make me a better programmer. So let's dive into the video and see what I'm doing. So this is me, Anvesha, and here on this channel I share about the clips of my teenage life, of what I am doing and how I'm learning this stuff and how I'm failing through it. So let's dive into the video and see what I'm making today. So last time I made a video about my favorite project, and there I mentioned that I will be learning some of new libraries in Python, and that is the NumPy library, the matplotlib, and the pandas. So we have reached a few far in in learning NumPy libraries. Not much of the days I practiced it because my exams were in between. As an 11th grader, there are a lot of things we had to do in studies too, so I was not able to give enough of time to that. But as I've learned, it is almost according to the planner. I've done till like 10 days, and now it's time for the project. Let me show you what's written in my roadmap. So here you can see that according to the roadmap, I've done it till the broadcasting, and now it's time for the project. It says that you have to build a project which implements matrix multiplication for AI-based calculations. But me being me, I don't want it to build a calculator or something like that because I'm bored of making calculators, and I don't want to do that here also while learning NumPy. So I asked GPT that according to my knowledge, what are the projects I can build and enhance my skills into it. So it gave me an idea of building a movie recommendation system. So here now, most of the people might be thinking that building a movie recommendation system actually requires a lot of knowledge. I know that, but my project is not going to be a very good one. Like it will be a simple project based on linear algebra, and algebra which is being taught to us in like 12th grade or 11th grade or so. So it's simple project. The goal is simple. The goal is that we're gonna take user ratings for different movies and combine it with the information about the movie categories, and use the simple matrix multiplication to find out like which category is liked by the user the most. For example, once we have the data about, let's say, user 1 likes the comedy movies the most and user 2 likes the action movies the most, and you might be thinking like where this data is coming from. This data is being calculated using matrix multiplication, and once we have this data, we can recommend the new movies out in the market to the user 1 or user 2 based on their preferences of what they like the most. I know that's not clear right now much. So once I'll be building it and showing you this in the whole video, you will get a clear-cut idea about what the project is. And for that, you have to stay till the end. Stick to the video. I'm going to show you. It's very interesting. I'm going to learn a lot of things. So let's build it. So there's a big question about where I'm learning NumPy from. Is there any course that I've taken? No, I'm not going to pay any bucks to the courses. I'm not taking any course, but I'm learning from YouTube, and the YouTube channel name is VSQ Tech, and this channel contains everything you need to know about NumPy, and I found it the best, so I'm learning it from this channel. And I prefer you guys too that you can learn it from here for free. It's better, it's best on the YouTube. So here's a pro tip for everybody, that you make mistakes while coding, right? Being a human, you will definitely make mistakes. So I do one thing, that I write my mistakes using the hash while coding, so that when I get back to the program, I just remember like what mistake I did and I'll not repeat that again. And this is a good way to learn. So I prefer you that you can also write mistakes, and then again when you visit your code, you will remember them, and this is the way you will learn. So yes guys, this is my final project, and you can see here what I have used. So first of all, I made a user rating array in which I added the movies and the ratings given by the user. Then I added the movie ratings, which means the general rating the movie is given like generally. And what I did is I extracted the user inputs, and then in the second array I extracted the movie inputs. And this final matrix gives me an idea about what kind of a movie a user likes. So in the next part of it, I've extracted like the index of the movie which the user likes, and then I have this whole big data set down, which you can see, which contains like all the movies, which contains like actions, comedy and horror, and also the drama movies. And then what I did is I used random function here to just randomly give me a movie of that particular index. Like if you want an action movie or you want a comedy movie based on what the user likes. So this is how I've done it. And yes, this is my whole project. Use the random function and use just basic matrix multiplication to make this project at this level. And I hope this is like good for this level for now. So yes guys, this was my simple project and I hope you liked it. And if you did, tell me in the comment section, or what can I improve in it. Definitely there are so much of things that I can improve, like I can add AI stuff to it, and there are a lot of things. I'll be doing that, don't worry. I'll be implementing all that and will be showing you what I am doing. So for more such videos of what I'm doing and how I'm learning things, you can obviously subscribe to my channel. It's free, and tell me in the comment section how you like it. Till then, see you in the next video. Bye bye.